Okay, so let's get this extra out of here. Try to put it back in somehow.
Why do you use that?
Hang on, it's grease. Wheel grease for this bearing. See? Okay. Well, I'll drop that in there. Okay, now we have a mess. But hang on. I'm gonna clean off the spindle here, so that's what this is. Okay, so watch. The spindle is where this bearing rides. Okay?
Do we get to do the others?
Yep, both fronts. Both fronts have spindles. The backs are a little different. They have axle bearings. Okay. Okay.
Daddy, I'm going to put the bag right here.
We'll go ahead and open the bag.
Open the bag?
Yep.
Okay.
So I'm going to change these springs on here. Well, they're no good, so these retainers. They're no good. Like, really bad.
Am I really bad?
Look at it. Open it up. Here, use this here. Hold it. What are you doing? Okay. Alright, I'll find me something like this.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go. Open it up. Reach in there and find it. Okay. Let's see. How does this compare? It's just a touch shorter. That's okay. Alright, now I need a new one. One of these springs. And a new little washer. See?
Okay.
Oh, here's some.
There's one in here. There's one.
Okay, so we only need. Oh, alright. Go ahead, I need a washer now.
Washer.
Yeah, there's some. See down there? You can dump it out. Maybe easier. Okay, just dump it out. I see, this is the washer. Okay, ready? Watch this. So it goes here on the ratio. This nail goes to the backing cover. And I call it a nail, I don't know what it's actually called. And you gotta line up this spring, this one here, and this little washer